Keywords Everywhere allows you to use the biggest LLMs to provide you with important and helpful SEO and YouTube insights. Now you can even use DeepSeek. So let me show you how. Now, it's not required to get a subscription to Keywords Everywhere, but it is recommended because you will unlock keyword level data like the average monthly search volume for your keywords, which will be fed into DeepSeek for the insights. Okay, so the first feature I want to show you is in the Google SERPs. So when you have the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll see these widgets on the right-hand side. Keywords Everywhere recently added DeepSeek as one of the LLMs that you can use to run a variety of SEO reports. You can get the user search intent for these top ranking pages, analyze the content types of them, cluster all of the ranking keywords for these pages, analyze their titles, check rankability, and also suggest anchor texts. Now, what makes these SEO reports so powerful is that Keywords Everywhere feeds DeepSeek all the information of these top ranking pages. And the prompts have been crafted to develop really powerful SEO reports. So let's try the first one, get user search intent. So I'm going to click on a DeepSeek, and then it'll open up DeepSeek and automatically run this prompt. Okay, here we go. So DeepSeek generated this entire user intent analysis report. So it analyzed the top web pages, ranking for the keyword SEO tips, and it figured out the user intent that each ranking page satisfies. So it organized all of the ranking pages by the search intent category. So you can see the pages that are ranking number 1 and 3 are categorized as informational search intent, and the actual intent, so if you want to know the specifics of that, is about learning SEO basics and fundamentals. And the pages ranking number 2 and 6 are also informational, and that's to get actionable SEO tips for higher rankings. And for the most part, all of the top ranking pages are informational except the page that's ranking number 7, which is commercial intent. And it even goes deeper and provides you with individual tables with keywords that you should be targeting for each of the intents, okay? So for this one right here, you should be targeting these keywords around how to learn SEO basics and fundamentals. And for the informational intent around getting actionable SEO tips for higher rankings, you should be targeting these keywords right here. And these search volumes don't come from DeepSeek, they actually come from Keywords Everywhere. So the search volume numbers are more accurate, right? So this report is great if you want to know the search intent that you need to craft your content around, if you want to optimize or rank higher for a specific keyword. You can also have DeepSeek analyze the content type for these top ranking pages as well. So DeepSeek classified the ranking pages according to these content types. So we have how-to guides, a couple of list posts, and one opinion editorial. We can also cluster all keywords as well. So DeepSeek clustered all of the long tail keywords that the top ranking pages rank for and group them into various categories. So these two keywords are under what is SEO. So you can potentially create a page about this topic and target these two keywords. And the same process goes for this list of keywords right here that's grouped under SEO tips. So you can create a page around SEO tips and so on and so forth. DeepSeek can also analyze the page titles and give you a recommended one that you can use for your own page. And the check rankability for SERP report will tell you how easy or hard it is to rank. You can see the SEO difficulty number and also the analysis and recommendations right here. And if you want to know what anchor text to use, DeepSeek can provide you with a list of those as well. These are great phrases and keywords that you can use for internal linking to your content. Now, aside from using DeepSeek to analyze the Google search results pages, you could also use DeepSeek to analyze content on YouTube. Let's take this video, for example. It's a 32-minute video summarizing the latest Google I/O keynote. And let's just say this 32 minutes video is too long and we want DeepSeek to summarize this video. We can do that very easily by clicking on this DeepSeek button underneath the Summarize This Video widget. So Keywords Everywhere gave DeepSeek the entire transcript of the video, and DeepSeek was able to turn it into a concise 10-point summary of the video. So this is a great way to save tons of time learning and getting the main points from a video instead of watching the whole thing. You can also use DeepSeek to optimize any video as well. Okay, so let's just say we want to figure out how to optimize this video. We can click on the DeepSeek button under the Optimize This Video widget. Okay, so DeepSeek analyzed the video and gave us some pointers right here, and also gave us some suggested video titles and descriptions we can use. Now, if you are thinking about creating and publishing a video on any topic, you can just search for that topic or keyword. And in this YouTube search results, you can click on the DeepSeek button to have the AI tell you how you can rank for this YouTube search. Okay, so DeepSeek analyzed the top ranking videos and it gave us some insights right here. It said you can expect a lot of views from this video around local SEO tips if we were to publish a video on that. It also provided us with the user intent. It also says that it recommends us creating a video between 10 to 20 minutes in length. It even gives us a suggested title and description. Now, this is only for long videos. If you want to create YouTube Shorts, there is a list of titles of YouTube Shorts you can create if you want to create those, including a list of video tags. So now you have a total of 4 LLMs that you can use in conjunction with Keywords Everywhere to provide you with SEO and YouTube insights. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out any other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you.